G'day, it's Jay and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful retro style. So for our hair preparation, we're wanting to do a crimper straighten. Now if you're not familiar with the technique or why to crimper straighten, I recommend going to that video first before watching this tutorial. I'll leave the link in the description box as well as put it on the screen. So you want to make a section going from the top of the head all the way past the ear, around 1 inch. It's a pretty good amount, as you can see here. Now I'm just going to section off the crown and pin it out of the way, and with the remainder of the hair hanging down, I'm going to make a ponytail. Once the hair tie is secure, go ahead and put in some hair padding. Now if you don't know how to make hair padding or how to secure it, check out my hair padding video. I'll leave it in the description box below. Now I'm using my Baby Bliss hair straightener to just give that top layer a really nice shine. This is going to help reduce the frizz and just make this hairstyle so much more shiny. A great trick for keeping the hair contained when making a hair chiffon is to grab a little hair tie and hair tie the bottom part. This stops you from having to use a heap of bobby pins to clip it in place, and instead only need to use a couple. Now I just went and used the straightener just to give the hair a little bit extra shine, as there was a little bit of frizz and bumpiness throughout the hair, but this is not compulsory. Now you would just want to do the rest of the hair pin curled. The trick with this is to do it all in the same direction so that it all has the same flow. Once you've let the curls cool for a few minutes, make sure that they have completely cooled down before opening it out. Grab one section at a time and slowly add a little bit of volume up, tame wild, comb through, and then put the weaves on top of the bun. The great thing about this style is there's no exact way to do it. I like to just follow wherever the curl takes me and follow where it swirls end. If the hair still isn't wanting to stay in place with using tame wild and volume up, you can always use a little bit of gel. Just be careful you don't overuse the gel, as it can make the hair look very oily and stuck together. I'm recommending, if you're wanting an extra hold for this hairstyle, to use a spray wax. Curl the front section of the hair and give it a little bit of a tease to add extra volume around the sides. And this is the end product. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!